Hi everyone, welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I want to pour a 3D flower. I'm using the Dipoxy Diamond Clear. This is one of my favorite resins for blooms. I let my resin sit for about 20 minutes. It's pretty warm. And the mold I'm using today is from Pouring Your Heart Out. It's a small blossom tray mold. I think this mold is just perfect for blooms. I'm still a bit sick, but I'm actually feeling pretty good. It's just my voice that isn't doing what I want yet. I drop in some alcohol inks. It's a honey from Octopus fluids. I just drop a few drops in the middle, I think 4 maybe. Yeah. Now I mix up my white. I have 40 grams in this cup and I'm using 6 drops of casting craft. And I will fill it into a piping bag after mixing. Now I'm using my next color. I have maybe 20 grams in this cup and I'm only using 1 drop of Muted Violet by Liquitex. It's an acrylic ink. And I add a little bit Mica from Pearlex. It's a gray lavender, just for a little bit extra shimmer. putting a few dots in the center section, and then I put a small spiral of white into each petal. And now I'm pouring with the purple color a spiral, trying to hit the spaces in between. I'm just pulling each petal outward once, following its natural shape. And that's it for now. See you for the unmolding. Bye! It has cured completely and it looks pretty good from the back side. But you never know. Still a little bit soft. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I love it. Look at all these little dots. I'm very, very happy. I hope you like it too, and I see